Yep, this wide angle lens is definitely better for this whole unboxing thing. Quad box unboxing. In today's video, we're gonna take all the things that are in this quad box and take them out of the box, and then you'll know what's in the box. So, all right, yeah, quad box, monthly subscription box. Sometimes I record myself taking the things out, and this month I'm particularly excited about some of the contents. Well, one thing in particular, I know one of the things that are in here, and I wanted to make sure that I shared it. The other stuff, I'm actually in for a little surprise. Let's see what we got in here. I feel like they do a thing now where they tell you what it is to alleviate confusion. Sometimes in the past, I've gotten stuff, I'm like, I don't actually know what this is. But put it aside. You don't want the surprise ruined. Put it aside and then reference it later if you're confused. All right. Stickers. Solid art, as always. Got the Oh My God logo. Blasters. Fly hard? Huh? That's the blaster and fly hard. Those logos have to do with the thing that I want to share in this. But all these designs are awesome. Barf grinder. Barf grinder. Look at that. That's awesome. I like these stickers. Ashley, my girlfriend, also loves these stickers, so I'll have to fight her for who gets to use the stickers for what. Oh, okay. This is a thing about yeah, these secure drives. Actually, I'm using one of these drives. This is like an encrypted drive, and there's a coupon code so that you can get a discount on external hard drives that are like fully encrypted. So if you lose them, people can't get to your flight footage and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Got some props. Hurricane. Is this new? What are these? No, whiskeys? What? Well, they say Hurricane. The package says Hurricane. The label says whiskey. These don't look like the whiskey props that I'm familiar with in the past. Maybe that refers to the color. It's whiskey color. I don't know. Maybe I don't know exactly what these props are called. I am not familiar with them. Looks like a new thing from Gem Fan, and love getting to try new props. This is cute. On the it's on the packaging. Hold on, let me put this back in here so you can see it. They've got like a score card on the package. I don't know how accurate it is, but look like solid props. 2mm wrench, or 2mm Allen key, hex head, hex driver, whatever exactly you're supposed to call this. 2mm. This is like the thing that quads are built with. It's like when I used to work on cars. 10mm socket wrench. You could take apart most things on a car. This is gonna get you through most quad stuff, so this is what you want. In fact, this is gonna be the one. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in my my flight bag over there, and just make that the one that's permanently in the bag, because I'm down to one, because since you use them all the time, you end up losing them, and maybe they get taken from you in the airport. But I'm down to one, and if I leave it on my workbench, then I don't have it out on the field. All right, next up, we've got a t-shirt. The t-shirt designs. Dude, this is sick. This is sick. Look at this. Oh, it's like a scraggly tree and a quad pilot looking up at it, all sad because it's stuck. Feels, right in the feels, and it's just really cool looking. I like this shirt. I'm gonna wear it. Earbuds, fpvearbuds.com. This is cool. So yeah, plugs in your goggle, and then if you fly with audio, you got your thing. Looks like it's even got a volume on it, so that's nice. I don't usually fly with audio, but I'll try it if I have an excuse to try it. Cool. And lastly, this is why I wanted to make sure I did an unboxing. This is what I knew was going to be in here. The new Hypetrain blaster motors. I'm super excited about getting these out into the world. This is a new motor that we worked on for Hypetrain motors. And where's my X-Acto? So the thing with this motor is, one, I just think it's a really cool looking motor. But two, these motors have a replacement program. We have been trying to figure out at Rotorite for a long time how to do this, because it's been something that frame companies have been doing for a while, where you can have warranted carbon fiber, and then a lot of us are familiar with certain warranty programs that you could have on a GoPro, Best Buy, where you can get your GoPro replaced for really cheap. And I'm like, okay, so the things that you break are frames, motors, GoPros, and we need to do a replacement program for motors. So the Fly Hard replacement program lets you replace the motors for just a small replacement fee. So the idea here is we try to make a motor that's really durable, and if you are able to break it, you don't have to necessarily pay the full price. You're gonna be able to replace it for a lot cheaper. Oh, and they just look sweet. They just look sweet. I mean, I think my favorite motor is gonna still be the Drib motor. Maybe I'm biased, but I also really love this. Hold on, let me get this out of here. Ta-da! It's like matte black. It's matte black. It's got, here, let me get my face out of the way. Oh yeah. Matte black. It's got like a nuclear type of spoke design, caution tape sort of etching. The logo's awesome. I'm just super jazzed that these are out and that we were able to throw them in quad box, so that it's kind of like an end of the year treat. It's the last quad box for the year, December. Happy New Year, happy early New Year, depending when you're watching this. So for the last quad box, make it extra special, give you a whole set of premium motors, and get to be one of the first people to have the Fly Hard replacement program. So if you're a quad box subscriber, I really hope you enjoy these motors. And I'm gonna solder them up and fly them myself, because this is actually the first full set of production motors that I've gotten to play with some of the pre-production ones while we were working on actually creating these things. But this is the first full production one that I've got. So I'm excited to fly it. Hope you guys that get them enjoy flying them as well. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. Now you know what's in the box. I'll see you later.